I'm Haley Wheat, 39 years old, mom, wife, and one of the great things that I loved about working with Paul was just the going to the grocery store, actually looking at foods, seeing how to pick, what is normally you would think is healthy, and how to find the actual healthier version of that was super helpful for me, for my family. I was able to take my daughter after and help her learn as, you know, just a 14-year-old teenager, what is the best choice to help her really, you know, do well in her personal life with things that she likes to do and loves to do, and helping her fuel her body as opposed to just cramming in junk all the time. That was super helpful for me. Another thing I really appreciated is learning how to read the labels and what oils specifically to avoid in just different processed foods. So obviously best to not eat much processed foods, but in the busyness of life, as we all are, it's helpful to know what you can just grab and go with. So that paired with Paul's just unique way of encouraging and finding just a way to make people feel really good about where they are and continuing to just take the next best step for where we're all at, and we're all at different places. So thank you, Paul, appreciate it.